Hey guys, Kim Flores. Welcome back to another video. Hey, today what I want to showcase for you is a video by another friend of mine that he does so well with this. Anyway, I'm going to show that video to you here in a little bit, but I want to go over a little bit about what it's going to be about. So I just want you to check in and make sure that you're here to the end. There will be a checklist in the description box that you can download and actually use for your own. Okay, so this is I want to introduce you to Jonathan Montoya. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a little bit about what this video is all about, and I'm going to quit talking and let him do the description and stuff. Okay, so anyway, what this video is about is in this video, we're both excited to introduce you to an incredible. But let me back up. Got to share the screen. Okay, here we go. So anyway, so what actually this video is going to be about is that we're both excited to introduce you to an incredible affiliate opportunity called the Secrets of Success program. It's by legendary Russell Brunson, and he's the mastermind behind ClickFunnels. I'm pretty sure you've probably heard him somewhere or somehow, or if you're just beginning into affiliate marketing, Russell's name's going to come up in a lot of discussions, right? So anyway, just to keep on going here, he's done this program, this program where he's like I said, I'm gonna let Jonathan do the talking here in a second. But anyway, we want to walk you through the Secrets of Success program and what it's all about and why we're all excited and thrilled about it. Okay. Now, Russell has invested significant resources. That means money, time, blood, sweat, and tears. Anyway, into this program. So focusing on personal development and mindset rather than ClickFunnels related content. Okay, so you get your mind right and everything else just flows. That's basically what it is, and the more you study, Russell, the more you'll learn this, and what we're trying to get across for you is just get your mind right, by studying certain mentors, right? So what makes this opportunity even more exciting is its two-tier structure. Okay, as an affiliate, you don't need to own a product. You're actually promoting someone else's, and you get a piece of that, right? So you'll earn a generous 40% commission on your direct referrals. But here's where it gets even more exciting. When you recruit other affiliates, you'll receive 10% of their sales. So this means you can build a team of affiliates who promote for you, leading to substantial earnings, right? What we want to do is it's an ongoing thing, but we want to get you affiliates under you also. So we're providing you with resources and training to make this process seamless. Okay, to get started, you want to sign up as an affiliate yourself using the link provided in this description below on this checklist, right? So once you're in, you'll receive your own personal affiliate link for Secrets of Success program. It's straightforward and very easy to join. Okay, so but really that's not all. He's creating a piece of software that will allow you to easily promote multiple programs, including Secrets of Success. Stay tuned for more details on that. And you might want to subscribe to Jonathan on YouTube anyway. So, or follow him on Facebook or wherever else you see him. So anyway, in the meantime, we prepared a free course on affiliate marketing that you could access through the link in the description also. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or experienced, this course will provide you with valuable insights. Anyway, the Secrets of Success program, of course, it's really an incredible opportunity. I mean, it's just once you see there's this one bibliography, Bibliomania video that Russell has done. I don't know if he's taken it down yet, but anyway, he goes deep into how much time he spent looking for these particular curated works of written art, if you want to put it that way. So anyway, so thanks for watching, guys. Though if you have any questions, you can drop me a comment in this video, and we'll stay tuned for more updates. Okay, so let's go ahead and get your affiliate marketing journey going together. Okay, all righty, it's Kim's. I'm gonna turn it over to Jonathan and watch closely.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I want to talk about a super cool opportunity that is going to be amazing for people wanting to get into the affiliate marketing space, or if you're already in the affiliate marketing space, I'm going to show you how you can add this new program inside of your ecosystem. Okay, so what is the Secrets of Success 2-tier affiliate program? Who's the owner of it? How can you make money? And how can you add this to your affiliate marketing ecosystem without confusing people? Okay, so that's what I want to go over. Also, I'm really excited because this is a brand new opportunity by Russell Brunson. If you've never heard of Russell Brunson, he's the owner of ClickFunnels, and he's built a billion-dollar company using these same strategies. Okay, so basically the way he built ClickFunnels, he's taking that and he's building this new Secrets of Success affiliate program. Okay, so I want to walk you through all that. I want to help you promote things that are going to be of value and that are actually going to help other people. Okay, so let's start from the top here. I'm going to go through this checklist, and if you don't have access to this checklist, it's located in the YouTube description. So make sure to go to the YouTube description, click on this checklist, and you'll have access to this as we go through it. Okay, first of all, let's start with the basics, right? What is the Secrets of Success affiliate program? And why am I so excited? Okay, because if I go to the Secrets of Success website, and I'll show you how to sign up, it's 100% free to sign up. But if I share the Secrets of Success website, you'll notice that Russell has spent literally thousands, tens of thousands of dollars on these old books. Okay, now the goal of this new company that Russell is starting is basically helping people with their personal development, with their mindset. Okay, so it's nothing to do with ClickFunnels at all. Okay, this is all about personal development. The reason I'm so excited is because Russell, he said it in Funnel Hacking Live. He said, I'm going to show you how I built $100 million business. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with the Secrets of Success program. Okay, now this is where you guys come in. Okay, this is where it's really cool. Okay, if I go down here, and I'll give you access to all this. All right, what he did with this new affiliate program is he built a 2-tier affiliate program. Okay, I'm gonna explain what that means in just a second. Okay, but I want you guys to understand, what does that mean? Okay, so let's just say this is you right here. Okay, and let's just say you want to promote the Secrets of Success. Well, it's a 2-tier affiliate program. Okay, meaning everyone that buys this program under you, these are your direct customers. Okay, you're going to get 40% of their commission. We're going to talk about the commission structure, stuff like that, but this is where it gets really cool. All right, let's just say you go recruit affiliates, right? And that's what I'm going to do right now with you guys. Okay, let's just say, hey, I want you to promote this under me. If you go other people to buy this program or to whatever, right, then you get the 40%, but I would get 10% of what you brought in. Okay, so you can see how powerful this is. Okay, because what's going on here is I'm recruiting a team of people that can now promote for me. Okay, so I want you to imagine this, right? So if I were to get, and let's do some math here, and I don't want to get stuck in the math, but if I had 100 people under me, right, you didn't buy anything, you just promoted as an affiliate. Okay, let's just say 100 of you guys all got one person. The program is $100, right? So if I go back to my quick math, okay, so if 100 of you guys got one person, okay, times 1 times $97, it's about $10,000, right? So we'll just say 10K for easy math. I didn't do anything. I didn't sell anything. This is just getting people under me. Okay, I would get 10% of this. I would get 10% of all the sales under me. That's how insane this opportunity is. So the goal here is, yeah, we want to sell the actual product, but what we can do here, and Russell even says it, okay, phase 1 is you're just recruiting 2nd-tier affiliate partners. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. I want you to sign up as an affiliate because when you get a sale, I get a sale. You get 40%, but I get 10% of your sales. See why it's so powerful? Now, I'm going to spice this up for you guys. I'm going to give you all the resources you need to be be able to get affiliate partners and be able to get people to buy from you. Okay, so I'm gonna spice this up for you guys. So this is phase one, and this program hasn't even launched yet. If you're watching this after the launch, it's okay. You can still get in on this. Okay, the launch is happening on October 19th. So when people start to buy this program, then that's when we'll start making money. But the goal right now before October 19th is to get affiliate partners under you. Okay, that's the goal. You can go and sign up for free as an affiliate right here. Okay, so let me show you what this link looks like. Basically, when you click on this, it takes you to this page right here. Okay, so it just kind of explains what it is, all that good stuff. And you just say, apply to become an affiliate. Step one, you apply. That's it. Okay, super, super easy. So right here, it says apply to become an affiliate. I already applied, so I don't need to do that. Then it gets to your back office. Okay, so this is how you recruit affiliates. Okay, and I'm going to help you guys train your affiliates so you don't have to. Okay, when you sign up, okay, so you're going to sign up here. The next thing is, well, how do you get my affiliate links for the Secrets of Success affiliate program, right? After you sign up, you're going to see this dashboard. Okay, this is your home page. So you can see I've already had, 1,500 people click on my stuff. For you to recruit affiliates, okay, let's just say you get your mom, your brother, your friends, your people on Facebook. All you got to do is send them this link here. Now, let me show you a really cool post that I did that got a lot of people signed up. Okay, and you guys can kind of copy my post if you'd like as well. This is all I did right here. If I go down, here we go. All I said was Russell's launching a new secret multi-tier affiliate program. Who wants access before he tells everyone? Okay, 1,000 comments. Let me show you what I did. All I did was I sent him this link right here. Okay, so remember I mentioned this link right here. That's the exact link I sent them. So if you go down, you'll notice that's it. I just sent them that link. Okay, so that's when they become affiliates under me. For example, if I go to my network, or it says your network here, I can start to see all the people that are under me. Okay, I can see all the people that signed up under me. Okay, hundreds and hundreds of people. That's the goal for you. Okay, you want to get people under you, because when people are under you, then you get paid when they make a sale. Okay, now how much can you make with the Secrets of Success affiliate program? Well, let's walk through it. So if we go to the Secrets of Success affiliate program, you can watch this, all that good stuff. I'm just going to go through it real quick. All right. So you'll notice when we launch on October 19th, Russell's going to have a $97 a month membership. So you'll make $40 every single member that pays this monthly thing. Okay, now the cool thing is Russell's giving out some really cool stuff. Like he's giving out this free box. All you gotta do is pay shipping, and he's giving out these like never before seen mindset books, okay, by Napoleon Hill, which is super cool because Russell paid tens of thousands of dollars for this. Okay, like this, Russell's so excited about this business, and I'm super excited because I love what Russell's doing. Okay, so but then he gets people into this $97 a month membership. Now, of course, you get 40% of all that. And then if there's second tier affiliates, you get 10% of that as well. And then of course, there's going to be a phase 3. Don't worry about that for now. I'll talk about that later. Now, you know how to get your affiliate links for the Secrets of Success affiliate program. One more time. This is your link, okay? This is how you recruit affiliates. This is how you get people under you. And when people sign up under you, you can see them under your network, okay? What's next? How to promote the Secrets of Success affiliate program. 2 things here. If you're a brand new affiliate, you're gonna wanna do this. If you're a seasoned affiliate, you're gonna wanna do this as well. You're gonna understand why, okay? There's 2 tiers to this. This is just me helping you, because you gotta understand, if I can help you make money, I'm going to get 10% of all your sales. So that's why I'm incentivized to help you. Does that make sense? But all the people that you recruit, I'm also going to let you give them this free thing as well. If you have no idea, right? You're like, okay, cool. This sounds amazing, but how do I promote this thing? Well, I have a free course. So right here, I just say, start with my free course on how to promote affiliate product. Right now, this is just on YouTube. Okay. So if you go to this link right here, it takes you to a free course. And this is a really good free course. You go to my channel here and you'll notice under playlist. Okay. This right here, Quit Your 9-to-5 Job series. This is an entire free program on how to start affiliate marketing. And then if you're more seasoned, start with this video right here on how I get 12,000 leads per month. Okay. Really, really good video. Now, here's the kicker, okay? This is what I want to help you with. What I'm doing is I'm putting this course in a members area, and I'm going to let you give it away as your own, okay? This is going to be a lead magnet, okay? So why am I doing this? Because I want you to be able to give out this free course, but make money on the back end, okay? So this is going to kind of tie in to my secret software, my secret project that I've been working on, okay? I've been talking about this for the last 2 months, and we're about ready to launch this. This is going to play in very nicely to what I'm trying to do with Secrets of Success affiliate program. Okay. So I promote a bunch of different things, guys. Like I have, my 72-hour challenge, Legendary Marketer, my Freedom Accelerator webinar, ClickFunnels, System.io, Get Response, right? I promote all these different things. Okay. A lot of people don't know how to promote a bunch of different things and they get overwhelmed. Okay. So what I'm doing with this new software is, this is just kind of a secret sneak peek here. You're going to be able to add your link. Okay. So you're going to be able to add your link, for example, for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, ClickFunnels, System.io, Secrets of Success, right? We're literally adding this in as we speak. So why am I doing this? Okay, because I want to help people be able to promote a bunch of different products. Okay, you'll notice we have a bunch of different products that you can promote. And all you do, okay, with this new software, it's not out yet, it will be, but you're going to have access to this if you sign up as an affiliate under me, okay? Basically, you would add all your affiliate links here. All you got to do is update affiliate link. And that one button, okay, this is the software we've been spending a lot of time on. Okay, this one button right here will literally put all these affiliate links in my ecosystem and you get the credit. How does that sound? Does that sound pretty cool? This is going to totally change the affiliate marketing game. So now we're able to promote a bunch of different things without confusing people because of the way I structured this ecosystem. So if you look at what I've done here, this is how I promote things. Okay, so when people first get, like, this is my funnel right here, right? There's an opt-in page and then there's a bridge page and then I have my main offer. That's it. But of course, on the back end is where I make my real money. But I want you to understand, okay? When people first enter my email list, this is day 1. This is day 2. Day 1 is easy. I'm just like, hey, here's my free thing. Here's my free course. Again, I'm going to give you access to this, right? This is the free course I'm building out for you guys, okay? Very simple. I created this course for you. You can promote it as your own. Once people get their free course, then I start promoting a bunch of different things. I'm like, hey, check out the 72-hour challenge. Okay, then I tell them a story about me. Then I send them a YouTube video. And then I give them a value email. And then I'm like, hey, connect with me on social media, right? Then I'm growing my system that way. And then later on, I'm like, oh, by the way, here's this other offer, Legendary Marketer. And then I send them a video on Legendary Marketer. So that's the goal. Okay, same thing with Secrets of Success, right? So this is how we're going to implement this with the secret software. Okay, so you'll notice I send them a link to Secrets of Success. Then I send them to a video of how Secrets of Success works, which is the video you're literally watching right now. This is going to be in my software. Okay, but how do you get credit if you didn't make the YouTube video? Well, this is what the software does. So the software, what it does is it's going to create this page. It's going to embed this video that you are currently watching. It's going to have a button here that goes to your affiliate link. How the heck does that happen, right? How are you going to get credit for my YouTube video? Well, again, that's what we're creating. When you add your link to all these things here, that is going to automatically add your affiliate links to this. All these YouTube videos now you're leveraging as your own. Okay, so we talked about the secret project. The goal again is I want to give you this course. That way you can give it out as your own. Okay. All you got to do, guys, is just simply sign up right here on step 2 and you'll be my affiliate. And then you'll be able to send people my free course. Okay. The Secrets of Success isn't ready anyways. So that's perfect because what you want to do right now is you want to start recruiting affiliates. You want to start getting people to join under you. Okay. So your next step, you're going to send this to everybody that you know. But then I know the next question. Well, I don't know how to help them promote. I don't know how to help them get traffic. Well, that's when you send them to me. Right? You send them this free course. This free course is going to teach them how to do affiliate marketing for free. And then later on, I'm going to show you how you can give out this free course and build your email list. Okay. That's why I'm so excited, because this fits right into what I'm doing already. Worked out perfectly. I just popped it into my ecosystem literally today, and you're going to have access to this once I release this secret project software. Okay. I hope you guys are excited as I am. I know this is such a cool opportunity because I'm launching a new software that's going to help affiliates, but there's this also really cool affiliate program that I could just throw into the software and you guys can just promote all these things at once without having to do so many different things, right? Because people always ask me, Jonathan, how do you promote so many different products? How do you manage your affiliate stack and ecosystem? Easy, with my email list, right? I promote one product. This is the main thing I promote, which is just my challenge, my 72-hour challenge. That's the main thing I promote. I get people into my list. Once they're on my list, then they start getting other offers. But my main core offer is my 72-hour challenge, okay? Let me know, guys. What are you more excited for? Are you more excited excited for the Secrets of Success affiliate program or the Secret Project or just everything in general. I'm really excited about the things that we're going to be doing to help you guys be able to leave your job. Okay. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys can get excited as well.